Now there's a more effective way to minimize your footprint without giving up performance in the field. Federal Premium Hi-Bird Fiber Wad Bismuth features the same cellulose shot cup and overpowder wad technology as original Hi-Bird Fiber Wad, but with a payload of 9.6 grams per cubic centimeter bismuth shot. The pellets are 22% denser than steel, delivering more energy downrange, and the cellulose-based filler material further reduces plastic left in the field. The loads meet non-toxic ammunition requirements and are safe and effective in both classic and modern shotguns. So take clean ammo further with Hi-Bird Fiber Wad Bismuth, only from Federal Premium.